Hey everyone, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've partnered with Snazaroo to bring you guys this tutorial for a festival kind of carnival look. We're going to be using some of their new products like their sparkle face paint and also the glitter gel. So let's just go ahead and jump straight in. So first you want to wet your brush before you go into the sparkle face paint. And the first one I'm taking is the shade Yellow. So for the lines, you want to take kind of a thin, small brush and just do spaced out strokes. You can do little strokes, medium-sized strokes, long strokes to kind of give that firework explosion type of effect. So that is what I'm doing. I'm taking the yellow first and I am spacing it out because you do want to put other colors in between. I am doing both eyes, but if you want, you can do one side. It's totally up to you. So next I'm going in with the orange sparkle face paint from Snazaroo and I'm going to put this in between the yellow. Now, a cool thing about these face paints is that because they are sparkle, they kind of have a little bit of shimmer to it. So as you turn your face and hit the light, it kind of reflects the light and it just looks absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going in with the pink sparkle face paint. And once again, I'm just going to put that in between the yellow and the orange, just kind of spacing it out, kind of overlapping them as well. It's completely fine if they overlap. It helps add to like the dimension of it. And just to clarify, I am wetting my brush in between each shade because you do want to make sure the face paint is wet so it glides onto the skin nicely. So the next shade I'm taking is the red sparkle face paint, and this one once again is going in the mix. It's going in between all of them, just adding to the dimensions and making it look even more beautiful. So I'm just putting that in random places, and yeah, like I said, you can overlap them, it's not a problem. Plus we're going to top it all with glitter anyway, so yeah. Now speaking of glitter, this is how we're looking with no glitter, but of course we want to add sparkle. So I'm going in with 3 glitter gels. I'm using 2 of them around my eyes. The first one is called Gold Dust and it looks white in the pot, but when you put it onto your face, it is a absolutely gorgeous reflective gold. So I'm doing kind of a C shape around my eye, kind of where the flicks begin, and I'm also doing flicks of glitter in between the face paint. Now the next glitter I'm going in with is called Stardust, and this one is kind of like a iridescent glitter. You can see it looks white in the pan, but it kind of reflects different colors, kind of like a reddish type of gold color. And I'm also putting this into the mix, just making sure the glitter is super dramatic because that's what we love at festivals. And by the way, these glitter gels, they do go on wet like a gel, of course, but they do dry down 100% and they become like dry glitter on your face. It is amazing. They stay for so long. I wore this look out and yeah, it stayed all day. So now we're moving on to the chest and I'm going in with the 3 glitter gels. So that is Gold Dust, Stardust, and then later I'm going to add another one which is called Red Gold. So first of all, I'm just painting it on. Like I said, it goes on really easy and really smooth and then it dries down. So this is the red gold glitter gel and I'm just going to add that on top to add to the dimension so you see different colors when I move my chest around. And yeah, that is how I did the glitter chest. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it and found some festival inspiration, carnival inspiration. I absolutely love this look and definitely will be rocking it to carnival. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the Snazaroo products are available now on their website, so definitely check my description box and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!